Hey guys, my name is Nancy Sliger and I will be the instructor for Chemical Systems this year, or this term, at the Poplar Bluff Excel Center. This document in front is the Chemical Systems syllabus that will kind of lay a ground rule for what will be going on in this class this particular term. Basically, we're going to start studying matter and talk about atoms and how atoms form compounds. We will learn to write some basic chemical formulas. We will learn about some basic chemical reactions, scientific method, and by the end of the term you'll be able to balance some basic chemical equations. And if time permits, we'll also look at a couple of different types of labs throughout the term. We'll use several different software platforms to help teach you different lab techniques, help you with your homework, giving you basic information. So I will use Google Docs. Some of the worksheets will require that you use a online platform called Cami. If you have a Excel school Chromebook, it's already loaded. If not, when I get to one of those documents that I need you to use that, I'll launch a video and show you how to download that if you don't have it. I may use Flipgrid, Edpuzzle, so there'll be several different online platforms that I will use to teach this class. You can contact me by email, or you can contact me with this Text Me Now number. This is not my main cell phone number, but this number shows up on my phone as a text message or a call, so you can reach me there. I prefer you text me and tell me what's going on. Tell me when that number shows up, when you text me, I can't see who you are, and so I need you to tell me your name and what class you're in, and kind of let me know what's going on, what you need help with. And if I can help you online, I will. If not, I'll call you. If you try to get a hold of me after 4:15 on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, I may or may not respond. I have things going on with my family also, but I'll try to get back to you by Monday. But if I have some free time on the weekend, I will try to get a hold of you. Okay? This particular science class is a half credit of science. And in order to receive the science credit, you must have a 70% or higher. If you get between a 60 and a 69%, it will count as elective credit, but you'll have to take another course to get the science credit, or take this one over. Every day you will have to fill out a daily attendance assignment. I may have it written out as daily attendance, or I may have it abbreviated DAA. They have to be done by 11:59 p.m. the day that they are released. Most of mine will be released at midnight, so on Monday at 12 a.m. some of the assignments will be released. The DAA has to be done by 11:59 p.m. to get attendance for that day. Remember, if you miss more than 15 days of attendance, you can be dropped from the class. So be sure and do your DAAs. If you forget to do it on Monday, you can still do it on Tuesday. You can complete the assignment because they are worth points. A lot of them are assessment points from my class. And then you won't get the attendance, but you can still get your points. I do follow the second Friday rule. Let me back up before I forget this though. You cannot have more than 15 absences from this class, or you could be dropped. If you have extenuating circumstances, that's why it's very important to talk to your live coaches or me or Blaine to let us know if you've got some issues going on in class or at home where you can't be attending, and so we can try to work with you. We do follow the second Friday rule, which is if you are assigned any work like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, the Friday of that week is the first Friday. The next week is the second Friday. If you do not have the work from this week turned in by the second Friday after it's assigned, it'll be a 0 unless you make arrangements or talk to me or Blaine or your life coach to try to figure out what to do. And I would like for it to be turned in by 12 noon on that second Friday. So with these classes, you really need to keep up and do your work on a daily basis, because in this class, if you get behind, it may get kind of hard to get caught up. The grading policies on here, your assignments are weighted. It's called assessments and essays, but it's assessments or labs, whatever I deem as an assessment. Those make up 70% of your grade, and then daily work makes up 30%. A lot of times some of the labs, some of the worksheets that you fill out as study guides to help you learn, those are usually daily work. The DAAs and then the unit tests tend to be my assessment pieces. So there's a strong correlation between attending and you're passing your classes. So you need to log in every day, check your email, and check your classroom where the assignments are posted. And so attendance is very important, because if you get behind in this class, it's going to be hard to catch up. The final will probably be online at the end of the term. It may be a comprehensive or it may be a unit test, depending upon how far we get through the class this term. If your grade drops below 70%, I may request that you schedule an online Google Meet tutoring session with me for me to kind of help figure out what's going on. This term, I'm going to be really watching about plagiarism, which is copying and cheating. If there is an assignment, instead of copying, pasting, I would prefer that you try to write your answers in your own words. This sheet here, you have it twice. It's attached to this long document, and when it's attached to the long document, I don't want you signing this one, okay? When you look at the Google Classroom, and let me see if I can go back. Well, it's under the introduction. So when you get your Google Classroom, you'll click on this. Remember to always go to Edit Assignment, because sometimes I might have 3 or 4 videos or things posted here, and so it may not all show up it may not all show up right here. So you always go to Edit Assignment, and mine looks a little different from yours because this is where I post assignments. That's what all this stuff over here is about. On your right side of the screen, it'll have up here like your work and where you can turn in assignments. So for the syllabus, it's right here. So you can read through everything that stays there in case you ever need to look up a phone number or my email or whatever. This one here is the one that you need to sign, and it's a Google Doc, so you can put a cursor there and you can type your name, okay? So you only sign the single document. Don't try to sign here, and please don't try to open it from this part, because evidently sometimes people click here and think, I'm going to sign it real quick. Well, it puts your name on there and then it messes up my original. So always go to Edit Assignment, and then you'll see your documents to write on. A lot of times they're over here. Click on it and sign it there, and then turn it in for points. Okay, so that kind of gets you through the syllabus, and I'll be posting another video or so before, probably to go with Monday, and I look forward to having you in the class. You can email me. You can use my Text Me Now number if you have any questions, and I look forward to having you in class this term. Thank you.